How to create an AI avatar in CapCut. Let's get into it. Begin by opening up CapCut. The first thing that you want to do is come into AI avatar. You'll see it in the top toolbar here. So click into this. This is going to load up a bunch of different options. There's a few things that you can choose from. You can choose from the default avatar library, which is what we're going to do in this video, or you can upload a photo of your own, a video, you can create a fashion model, you can also do video translation and AI dialogue scenes as well. For this example, we're going to stick to the AI avatar library. There are a bunch of different avatars that you can choose from within CapCut. I recommend choosing one that suits the kind of project that you want to work on. For this example, I'm just going to choose this one at the top. So to choose your avatar, you just need to click into it.
How are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
So you click that, it will give you a preview on the right there. Next, choose the next button here, and here you can input the text that you have here. So here I'm having this avatar say, this video is showing you how to create an AI avatar in CapCut. You can also then choose the kind of voice that it uses. You've got a bunch of different filters that you can choose from here, and you can scroll through the voices as well. There may be an arrow at the bottom you need to click to enter into the different voices. So just for ease, I'm going to go for this prep girl one. So you just have to click on it to preview it.
This video is showing you how to create an AI avatar in CapCut.
You do then have the option to have CapCut generate captions as well. So if you click this button, when it generates your AI avatar, it will generate it with captions. If you want captions for social media, I do recommend checking that. For this example, I'm not going to use that. So we just need to go ahead and choose generate. And then this is going to generate our AI avatar with that voice that we selected and also the text that we inputted. So let's just give it a moment to do that. CapCut has now finished processing our AI avatar, so let's play it back.
This video is showing you how to create an AI avatar in CapCut.
Now, as we can see there, that's done a great job at creating an AI avatar for us, and that's all there is to it.